Is your dressing a distraction to your student or a reinforcement for positive? We need to know that our dressing goes a long way in teaching and learning process. So the way you dress at times, it influences the way your student perceive you and the way they learn. For instance, look at this teacher teaching. Look at the kind of dress he's putting on. What will you say concerning this kind of? You say this kind of dress will not distract the student, or will you say this kind of dress can make the student assimilate or understand a particular concept better? Look at this teacher too. Can you say the dressing is okay or is bad? We must put into consideration the kind of dress we put on as a teacher and the impression that the perspective, the way our students think about us when they see our dress. Do you know that the way you dress as a teacher, your students can decide to listen to you, or the way you dress can actually make your student to be noisy? So when you dress in a professional way, in such a way that even when your student sees you, they admires it. I've seen students walking up to me and say, uncle, I like your tie. I like the way you do iron your clothes. And like that, it commands respect for you as a teacher. But when you dress in a very provocative manner, the result is the opposite. So if you are struggling with your student attention, it might be that you are not dressing in a professional way, or your dressing is causing a kind of distractions to them. So instead of them paying attention in class, what they'll pay attention looking is your dress or is your dressing. And in that way, you might not be able to achieve your goal. So in my opinion, I think we should take into consideration what our students think about us when we dress, and not to dress to kill or to cause distraction in class.